Youngnam Metal Company Limited that during past period, we have been engaged in part of specialized production of couplings for the piping connections, which was followed the growth of ship billeting industry, in Korea under the developing policy of shipbuilding industries. We have succeeded to supply our products widely from ship boilers to the heavy plants, as the result of superior quality of our products by continued self-development of the products, and which leads us to enable to supply and export in overseas markets. Youngnam Metal Company Limited has many years of experience in manufacturing of pipe joint products, such as multi-flex type couplings, grip ring type couplings, repair clamps and other pipe connectors. Our technical capacity in this field has been highly appraised from many of the client and concerned parties, not only the comprehensive application but also a lot of saving of the expenses. The coupling joints, because of their great flexibility and economy, are steadily replacing the flanged pipe joints nowadays from various industrial plant to the vessel. These coupling joints are not only to eliminate the welding cost, but also prevent any linear expansion and deflection of the pipings by welding repairs. So, in order to achieve the best reputation in this field of the piping connections, we will render our best services to our clients, and will continue our efforts to research and improve our products.